Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick and easy turmeric face mask tutorial. It only requires 2 ingredients, and let's get into it. The first ingredient, of course, is turmeric, and the second ingredient is curd, or as we know it, yogurt. I use just about a tablespoon or two of turmeric and add just about a half a tablespoon of curd and just mix that together. I'm not too specific about the measurements because everyone likes their consistency different. So I am actually adding just a little bit more of this yogurt to the mix just so I can get the consistency that I like. You can go ahead and give that another mix. This is the way I like it to look, but you guys can feel free to add more or less curd if you would like. I've seen a lot of people do this with water as well. If you do decide to do it with water, I would recommend using either a spring water or a distilled water. Some people use a brush, but I find it a little easier and less messy to just go ahead and slather it all over your face with just your fingers. You have to be careful because it's a bit staining, so beware of that. So I'm just going to stick this on my face for about 30 to 45 minutes. Here's how it looks after 30 minutes. I went ahead and washed my face off and used a gentle toner to wipe off some of that excess residue. You'll notice that it'll be a little yellow, but that's okay. See you guys in my next video. Bye.